Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am sharing some points regarding body temperature. First, definition. Body temperature is the degree of heat maintained by the body, or it is the balance between thermolysis and thermogenesis. Body temperature is maintained by hypothalamus of the brain. Thermogenesis. It is the chemical regulation by the production of heat. Thermolysis. Physical regulation by the loss of heat. Hectic or swinging fever. It means when difference between high and low points is very great, it's called hectic or swinging fever. Next is relapsing fever. Brief febrile periods followed by one or more days of normal temperature. Then next is inverse fever. Fever in which highest range of temperature is recorded in the morning and lowest in the evening. This is inverse fever. Next is patterns of fever. First one is constant or continuous fever. Temperature varies not more than 2 degrees between morning and evening and it does not reach normal. It is called constant or continuous fever. Next is remittent fever. Fever characterized by variation of more than 2 degrees between morning and evening and it does not reach the normal. Next is intermittent or quotidian fever. Temperature rises from normal or subnormal to high fever and back at regular intervals. Next is defervescence or decline. Period when elevated temperature is returning to normal. It is of two types, crisis and lysis. Crisis means sudden return to normal temperature from a very high temperature. Lysis means gradual decline of temperature. Next is degrees of fever. First one is low pyrexia. It's from 99 degree Fahrenheit to 100 degree Fahrenheit. Next is moderate pyrexia, 100 degree Fahrenheit to 103 degree Fahrenheit. High pyrexia, 103 to 105 degree Fahrenheit. Hyperthermia, 105 degree Fahrenheit and above. Next is phases of fever. First one is onset or invasion. Period when body temperature is rising and it may be a sudden or gradual process. Next is fastigium or stadium. Period when body temperature has reached its maximum and remains fairly constant at a high level. Next is conversion formula. C is equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. F is equal to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. The reading at which both Celsius and Fahrenheit scale become equal is 40 degree. Mercury is used in clinical thermometer because it's very sensitive to small changes in temperature, its uniform expansion, it's easily visible. Next is disinfectants used for clinical thermometer. First one is Lysol, its strength 1:40, time 3 minutes. Dettol 1:40, 5 minutes. Ferginol 1:40, 5 minutes. Savlon 1:20, 5 minutes. Most reliable method of taking temperature is rectum. Least reliable method of taking temperature is axilla. The site which gives core body temperature is oral and tympanic membrane. Normal temperature of various sites. Axilla 97.6 degree Fahrenheit, oral 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, rectal 99.6 degree Fahrenheit. The lowest calibration in clinical thermometer is 95 degree Fahrenheit. The highest calibration in clinical thermometer is 108 degree Fahrenheit. Next is conduction. Transfer of heat directly through a substance from hot part to cold part by direct contact. It's known as conduction. Next is convection. Transfer of heat by circulating air or liquid. Next is radiation. Transfer of heat from the surface of one object to another which are not in contact with each other. 60% of body heat is lost through radiation. Next is evaporation. A substance in liquid state is changed to vapor. Next is core body temperature. the temperature of deep tissues and organs within the cranial, thoracic and abdominal cavities. Next is oxidation of food. During metabolism of protein, carbohydrate and fat, heat is produced as a byproduct. 1 gram carbohydrate gives 4 calories of heat. 1 gram protein, 4 calories of heat. 1 gram fat gives 9 calories of heat. This is all about my topic. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching.